Hey, and welcome back to the third video in my 6-part series, It's Christmas! I just love Dean Martin's version of Silver Bells, and that's what we're going to learn today. The original is in G sharp. We're not going to play in G sharp, we're going to play in G, down a step. So the chords that we're going to need in the A section are G, straight to the B minor, then to the C, and then to A minor. We have a D, a D7, and then back to G. Now we're in the time signature of 3/4, so that's 3 crotchet beats to the bar. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. You can also use an upstroke in between any of those beats, really. You could go 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, or you could go 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and... Okay, so we have the chords for the A section. In the chorus we have silver bells, to C, silver bells, D, it's Christmas time, and on time you go to the D7, in the city back to the G. Now here is an optional extra for those who want something just that little bit more. So that's a run of your C chord to the B minor, to the A minor, C, B minor, A minor, G. Like the rest of the videos in this series, there's going to be a playthrough at the end, so make sure you hang around for that. In Dean Martin's version of this song, there is some very integral backing vocals going on. And I love the way Dean will take silver bells, and then the ladies say silver bells, and then silver bells, silver bells, and then in the next chorus they swap it around and the ladies go first. Silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. So if you download my song sheet from my Patreon page, you'll see that the ladies' parts are in pink and Dean's parts are in black. I endorse the Kala brand. I think they're wonderful ukuleles. And if you would like 10% off anything from their website, use my link below or up here. Soon it'll be Christmas Day. If this video has given you any value at all, please give me a like. Share me with your friends on social media and leave me a comment below because I love to hear from you.
A song sheet for this lesson is available over at Stu's Patreon page, patreon.com/mullum. Head over there and grab it now. Now it's time for the playthrough.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile, and on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. As the shoppers rush home with you hear.
Silver bells,
Silver bells,
silver bells,
silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling,
ring-a-ling,
hear them ring.
hear them ring.
Soon it will be Christmas
Silver
Day.
bells, silver bells, silver, silver bells.
Thanks for hanging out with me all the way to the end of the video. Other people will see this video because of you. Thank you. Now, if you would like to learn another Christmas song, check that one out. I'll see you over there.